Hi. One of the most asked questions that I get on a daily basis when we're talking about accounting and taxes and bookkeeping is, do I really need to keep my receipts? Short answer, yes, you do have to keep them. So if that's all you came to hear, then thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Now, if you need a little bit more information, let's continue on. So you do not have to necessarily keep your paper receipts, but the IRS does make the statement in the code that you do actually have to keep receipts. If you're to get audited, then they would want to see the actual receipts. You can keep them in an electronic version. You can keep them in paper. A lot of times we found that, the copy tends to deteriorate after a while. But whether you scan them and keep them in paper, whether you just keep the paper, whether you scan them and keep them electronically, whether you use an app, any of those things are acceptable. Here's the key. You have to be able to access the receipt that you need should you get the question. So you don't want to have to give all of your receipts, right? You want to be able to pull out just the receipt that you need to give based on the question that was asked, based on the problem that you're having. So make sure that whatever you do, you keep them in a way that you can go through each of the files, each of the pages, whatever it is, and pull out just what it is that you are being asked for by the IRS. I did find a couple of different options, and I will link them in the description. So one of them was this, it was kind of weird. It was this little box that you can get on Amazon, and you just literally lay your phone on top of it, and you could take up to a full page of paper, whether it was your receipt or if it was a full page piece of paper. You could take that and use it and scan it that way. So you could do something similar on your own. Then there was another inexpensive option that I found that was only around $100 to be able to scan, and it was also portable. So if you needed to take it with you, you could do that. So I will find those links and I'll post them in the description below. But I just hope that this finally answers your question. You cannot just use your bank statements. You cannot just use your credit card statements. You do have to have an actual receipt that matches up to those. So I look forward with giving you more information in the future, and I hope that this answered your question and you enjoyed this one. See you soon.